So this video is called Don't Worry, Be Happy, and it's not meant to make light or trivialise plastic surgery, in fact the opposite. All plastic surgery operations have their good points. That's why you're having the operation, is to try and achieve the good points. But most of them have little issues, pros and cons. For example, getting a scar, or something is changed in your appearance. So if this occurs, don't have the surgery if you can't take the bad with the good. And I'm not talking about compromising the result. All surgeons want their patients to have an excellent result, but there's rarely such a thing as a perfect result. Depending on the operation that you have, most operations carry a certain amount of baggage. For example, if you have a facelift, you end up with usually a scar that's carefully positioned around the ears. If that scar is imperfect, it should be touched up. Even at the end of the day, that scar may not be totally invisible. But if you're going to really not accept that as a possibility, then don't have a facelift. In breast or body surgery, often scars are required, and this is a trade-off for the operation. In a breast reduction operation, your nipple may be numb post-surgery. It's a trade-off for the operation. So the Don't Worry, Be Happy means if you take a holistic approach, my hope is that all patients will feel greatly benefited by the procedure and well informed that they knew what the pros and cons are and the consequences are. But people that are very overly perfectionistic shouldn't compromise on quality, but can be unrealistic about over-expecting. And if that's the case, then it can be a source of distress for that person and compromise their enjoyment of the procedure. So the Don't Worry, Be Happy title of the video means just clearly understand the surgery has its great benefits, it has its areas of imperfections, and that's the nature of it. And if that's not acceptable to you, then you're really better off not to have it. Just be happy as you are.